Welcome to the Cognitive Billionaire Mental Wealth Meditations, the podcast that takes you on a transformative journey to cultivate and expand your mental wealth. I'm your guide, Hedi, and I invite you to go on a quest to milk this enormous potential of your mind, which is the offspring, the well for all the success and fulfillment you deserve. Because thoughts become things, and your belief system, your ability to anticipate a positive future and feeling that in all your cells of what you desire and deserve is the gateway to realization. Because when practicing this over and over again, it wires your brain for this desired future, and you will then see clues all around you on how to move forward. And it gives you another focus and the step by step to create this desired outcome, even though you don't know how to. Now, what is necessary is the clarity on what you desire. And that's where most people and clients of mine struggle with. Going into stillness and the self-discovery mode without the hustle and the bustle and the distractions all around us is the magical first step and the necessary step. And today we're going to go there. We'll do a guided visualization meditation where you will go on a journey to explore and visualize and feel this perfect future. And then we will do some magic trick in order for you to quantum leap. Sounds good? Okay, then let's get started. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, fill your lungs with fresh and cooling, rejuvenating air. Hold for a second and then exhale slowly. Release any tension, stress, to-dos from your day and from your body. Let go of all the worries of the present and instead set the intention to open your mind to the infinite possibilities of the future. Again, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, imagine a warm, loving, soft light surrounding you. Feel this light, the warmth, the power. This light is a beacon of positivity, guiding you on this journey. With each breath, feel this light expanding, wrapping around you like a cocoon of safety and serenity. Deep breath, deep breaths. Very good. Now imagine a heavy wooden door in front of you. Open that door, it's very easy, and by walking through that door, you enter your ideal future. When all is accomplished, everything you ever dreamed of, where are you physically? Where are you physically stepping into right now? What is underneath your feet? Is it sand or grass? How does it feel? And what is around you? Take a 360 turn and take in all the images that pop up right now. Allow your senses to fully engage with this environment around you. And then check, who is there? Who is there with you in that picture? What do you hear? What do you feel? And then lock that feeling in, like suck it in. And name that feeling. Deep breaths. And then start to walk. Start to walk forward. Imagine a path that is magically unfolding before you. Feel the ground beneath your feet, supporting each step you take. Getting stronger and stronger with each step you take. And by becoming so strong, you leave, with every step, you leave behind any doubts, any fears. It's just absorbing doubts and fears into the ground. And you become more confident and more self-assured with each and every step you take. Now imagine there's a mirror in front of you, reflecting your best accomplished self, the person you aspire to become and who is already living this desired future. Observe the qualities and what defines this ideal version of yourself. What is the posture? What kind of words does this person use? How does she or how does he look? And as you gaze into the mirror, feel a profound connection with that strength, the resilience, and the limitless potential within you. And as you admire this future self, now take a big step, a big confident step forward into the mirror and merge with that version of you now. Simply step into that body, just a reflection of you. It already exists. It already exists inside of you. Activate it now by stepping into that version fully, and breathe. Deep breaths. And feel a warm, loving light surrounding you. Breathe deeply and allow. Stay in your heart and feel the emotions of success, accomplishment, stronger, stronger, stronger. Feel the gratitude for this moment being here now. Deep breath in and out. Very good. And as we now near the end of this visualization, feel a sense of endless empowerment, knowing that you have the ability to shape your own destiny and that you deserve what you desire. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently open your eyes, and carry this sense of power and limitless possibilities throughout your day. Remember that the perfect future begins with the choices you make today and the actions you take. Embrace this power within you to create the reality you desire, and come back to this meditation daily for optimal results. Okay? If you feel called, check out programs for going deep into identity shifts and future creation in the comment section. Follow for more if you like, and enjoyed this meditation, and have a magical rest of this day. Bye-bye.